How to manage post-divorce debt and credit recovery. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. Divorce can leave more than emotional stress. It often leaves financial challenges too, especially when it comes to debt and credit. Whether you're dealing with joint accounts, lowered income, or missed payments during the transition, it's important to take proactive steps to manage your debt and start rebuilding your credit as quickly as possible. The first step is to take inventory of your current debts. Pull a full credit report so you can see everything that's in your name, including any joint accounts that might still be open. Even if your divorce judgment says your ex is responsible for a certain debt, if your name is still on the account, lenders can still come after you if payments are missed. That's why it's critical to close or refinance joint accounts as soon as possible. Next, start creating a plan to tackle any remaining debt. Focus on high-interest credit cards first, and make at least the minimum payments on everything else to avoid additional credit damage. If needed, look into debt consolidation options or speak with a credit counselor to build a plan that works for your new financial situation. Rebuilding your credit takes time, but it's absolutely doable. Make all future payments on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. Over time, these small steps will help you increase your score and strengthen your financial standing. If you don't already have credit in your name alone, now is also the time to open your own accounts and establish a positive payment history. We helped a client who was left with several joint credit cards after her divorce, cards her ex had promised to pay off but didn't. Her credit took a hit and she felt stuck. We worked with her to understand her rights, helped her enforce the divorce judgment, and connected her with a financial advisor to rebuild her credit. Within a year, she had improved her credit score by over 100 points. At Divorce 661, we're here to help with more than just your paperwork. We support you through the full post-divorce process, including strategies to handle lingering debt, protect your credit, and regain financial control. If you're struggling with debt or credit issues after divorce, visit divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you put a plan in place, take action, and rebuild your financial future one step at a time.